Hey everyone, welcome back to part 2 of our Python chatbot series. In part 1, we used if-else statements to create simple responses, but what if we need to scale them? That's where dictionaries come in. In this video, we will refactor our chatbot using a dictionary or JSON-like structures to keep things clean and organized. So before we start, if you'd like to support this channel and my content, you can do so here. I will provide the links in the description so you can find it later. So this is the previous PyBot which we have created using if-else if statement. Now I created a new file called as PyBot part 2. As we did in the previous video, first we are going to print the welcome message from the bot. Tells the user how to exit the program. Next we are going to create the dictionary. This responses dictionary maps users input like hi, hello, bye to our PyBot. You can add as many key value space as you would like. This keeps the code neat and scalable. Next we are going to start the chat loop. This begins an infinite loop so the chatbot keeps talking while the users type exit. Now we are going to take the user input and we are going to convert everything to lowercase so that the case mismatch issue doesn't occur, and we are going to use the strip method to remove the white spaces or extra spaces. Then we are going to handle the exit. If the user types exit, the loop stops and breaks and shows a goodbye message like see you soon. Now using this we are going to get the response from the PyBot. This response.get user input tries to find a matching reply in the dictionary. If there is no match, it returns a fallback message saying I am not sure how to respond to that. So let me tell you why this is better than if else. This is easy to read, easy to update, just adding and removing entries in the dictionary. Prepares us for external files like JSON in the future. Let's test this out. In the previous video, if I type HELLO and space, it was going to give me I am not sure how to respond to that because we were not using the strip method. Now since I am using the strip method, it is going to give the response which is a value of the hello key. Hi, how can I help you today? And if you type the exit, it's gonna exit from the loop and stops the bot. So that's it for part 2. In part 3, we'll spice things up by adding randomized reply so our bot feels a bit more alive. Don't forget to like, subscribe and check out the links below if you'd like to support the channel.